Welcome back to Ema's Nail Box. What I have for you today is I got a delivery today, and I've blacked out the addresses, but this is from the Devil Wears Press-Ons. Now, she hasn't posted a vlog yet showing our nail stands from her last drop, but I got mine in the mail today, so we're gonna unbox them together. So one of these is heavier than the other, so let's open the lighter one first. I have not opened these. I know what I ordered, but this is my first time seeing them. So we're gonna do this together. How exciting is that? Well, except for when I put the ink on the boxes and destroyed my mat. Now I have to order another one. But that's okay. See, this ink does not dry. So I don't know how I feel about those. I think next time I'll just put some masking tape over it. That ink is not for me. Okay. Open sesame. Let's get this box open and see what is in. And now I have to flip it over because it opens that way. Well, I did not plan this very carefully, so I'm gonna hold it up so it doesn't mess up my other new mat. We're gonna take this out, and I'm gonna set this on the other box. I am not setting that down on my mat. Okay, so first we have a little card, and we have these two bubble mailers. And then I can blot these boxes because I like to keep these boxes. Great for storage, great for shipping. Okay. Yeah, we'll get into it. I promise. I'm gonna wipe these things so they don't, well, those things are worthless. I won't be using those again. Worthless. I bet would have been better off with some tape. And in this, what a cute little package. It's My Melody, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it is. My Melody. And inside we have her business card, The Devil Wears Press-Ons. And I think that's a sticker. Yes, they are stickers. We have a cute little sticker and her sticker. I have a few of these. I like to put them on my lamp. And we have a Hello Kitty and another character. Okay. Cute little envelope. I'm going to have to keep that. All right. Let's get into this first one. And we're very well wrapped. It's my shaker stand. Let me get this shiny stuff out of the way and move up. And hopefully, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that heart. Look at that glowing heart. This is so pretty. So pretty. I use my Hello Kitty one all the time, this one. But I needed a few more because I do use these frequently. I just love the heart in that, and the butterfly and the little hearts and the sequins. Sorry guys, it's my first time seeing it, so I'm not paying attention to frame. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. Okay, let's see what's in the other one. Her heart-shaped bubble wrap. And this is a butterfly. I'm gonna get the shiny stuff out of the way. And, oh, look at that. Look at the heart. And it's got angel wings. Oh, angel wings in it. And hearts. And stars. That is so sorry guys, did it again. Look at all the little glitters, and I love the angel wings and that star. Very, very pretty. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love those things. Okay. I am not going to put this box on the floor just yet. Oh, both dogs have joined me. They want to see what's in the box. I'm going to wipe off this other box so that it doesn't get that ink all over everything. Yeah, no, I think I'll just use masking tape from now on to block out addresses, because those things are kind of worthless and they get everywhere, and they ruined my very special mat. All right, so this should be my 2-hand stand. And do I need another one? Nope. But that's okay. I have quite a collection of these. All right, that is the packing slip. Let's get into this. And, oh, Hello Kitty one. And this one, let me get the box out of the way. Okay, well, we know what's in here. These envelopes, let's eat pancakes together. These are so cute. Super cute. It's the same thing in there. Business card, and those are the tip stands. And let's look at my 2-hand stand. Let me move out. There we go. Ta-da! It's a stitch stand, and it says Ohana. Ohana means family. There's stitch. Is it angel? I forget. Oh, this is so cute. Let me get this black out of the way. And let's put the tip stands on. And, oh, there's a purple one too. The pineapple, look at the pink pineapple. This is so cute. All right. Oh, look at these tip stands. These pinks are gorgeous. Oh, look at these blue ones. Okay, I'm in love. I wanted a blue one. And there is my newest stand from the Devil Wears Press-Ons. Oh, look at these tip stands. Look at this blue one. It is, look how sparkly that is. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned before, but these are slanted. And this helps with, when you're polishing, it helps prevent puddling. Oh my goodness, now look at these pink ones. Look how much sparkly glitter is in here. Oh, look at my new stand. It's so cute. Ohana means family. Yep, I'm in love. Got the little sticker this time. I like the big sticker, but I know when she's got the jelly in the middle, she can't put that big black sticker on there. But there's my stitch stand. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. It's gorgeous. a short one, guys. I just wanted to open my new stands from the Devil Wears Press-Ons. And I got a pink butterfly and a blue heart shaker stand. Yep, I have quite the collection. Am I gonna stop? Absolutely not. I love these things. I won't stop until she stops selling. Let's put it that way. Oh, I'm so happy. I absolutely love my stitch stand and my shaker stands. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm a big kid when it comes to characters, and I love Winnie the Pooh. I love Stitch, and I can't wait until she has another drop, because I've got quite a challenging one for her if I can get in on the next drop. Let me know what you guys think of my new Stitch stand in the comments. It's beautiful. Absolutely. And I'll let this sit and I'll stare at it for a while before I actually use it. I did the same thing with the Tigger stand. So that'll do it for this video. I've done a previous video on all of my stands from the Devil Wears Press-Ons, and I will link it in the description box. But I just wanted to share that unboxing with you guys. I'm so thrilled with what I got. She does such amazing work. Let me know what you think in the comments. That'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me in this exciting little unboxing. And if you are enjoying my content and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know when I post. See you next time. Marcus, Delaney, Alexis, Dawson, Lydia, Cassie, Noah, and Arlo, we love you so, so much. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our email.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when she posts.
See you next time.